How to add fast forward effect in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and select the clip you want to speed up in the timeline. Next, right-click on the clip and choose Change Speed from the menu. In the speed settings, enter a value greater than 100% to make your video play faster. For example, 200% will double the speed. If you want to keep the audio natural, you can check the pitch compensation box. But often for fast forward effects, the audio is muted or replaced. Click OK to apply the changes. Preview your clip to see the fast forward effect. Adjust the speed value if you want it faster or slower. And that's it. Now you know how to add a fast forward effect in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.